How does EWSR1-FLI1 gene link to Ewing sarcoma? Ewing sarcoma is a type of bone cancer that primarily affects children and young adults. A significant factor in its development is a genetic abnormality involving the EWSR1 gene and the FLI1 gene. When these two genes fuse, they create a new gene called EWSR1-FLI1. This fusion gene is crucial because it encodes a protein that acts as an abnormal transcription factor. This EWSR1-FLI1 fusion protein combines parts from both original genes. It has the transcriptional activation properties from the EWSR1 gene and the DNA binding ability from the FLI1 gene. This unique combination allows the fusion protein to bind to specific DNA sequences, particularly those known as GGA microsatellites. By doing so, it regulates the expression of many genes involved in cell growth and division. The activity of the EWSR1-FLI1 fusion protein leads to changes in how cells behave. It promotes uncontrolled cell proliferation, which means that the cells grow and divide without the usual checks and balances. Additionally, it blocks normal cell differentiation, preventing cells from maturing into their intended forms. These processes are characteristic of cancer. Moreover, the EWSR1-FLI1 fusion protein alters the epigenetic landscape of Ewing sarcoma cells. This means it changes how genes are expressed without altering the underlying DNA sequence. Such changes support the cancerous behavior of these cells, making them more aggressive. Interestingly, the expression levels of EWSR1-FLI1 can vary among tumor cells. Some cells may have high levels of this fusion protein, leading to rapid growth. In contrast, other cells with lower levels may become more migratory and invasive, which can contribute to metastasis or the spread of cancer to other parts of the body. In summary, the EWSR1-FLI1 fusion gene is a defining characteristic of Ewing sarcoma. Its fusion protein acts as an aberrant transcription factor that reprograms gene expression and influences the behavior of bone tumor cells. Understanding this genetic link is essential for developing targeted therapies for Ewing sarcoma. If you or someone you know is affected by Ewing sarcoma, it is important to consult healthcare professionals for personalized medical advice and treatment options.